Hello beaders, welcome to my channel Ubuchule Bezandla. This is Fikiswa. Today I want to show you this apron I made with my cousin last year. She made an apron and I attached beads on it. I want to tell you how difficult and time consuming it is to attach beads on any fabric. You might think that it's easy, but it is not. I don't remember how many days it took for me to complete this apron, but it was like so many days and I was getting tired. Kodwa ke kuthiwa ekunyamezeleni ukhona umvuzo. Ngoba at the end I was happy with my work. My client was happy with my work. And fortunately for me, she gave me more time to complete it because I was always updating her on how far I am. So this is the belt, okay guys. Belt up. I was supposed to attach that belt on the waist part, but I chose not to, and I told my client that I'm not going to attach this belt on this apron because so that you can wear it with other dresses. If you want, you can use it with different clothes, because if I attach it here, it means you will always wear it with this apron. So okay guys, this apron is for Hlubi, aMahlubi. Abantu abangomama abangaMahlubi banxiba le apron. I-apron ezinjena in their cultural events. I didn't know, but now that ndiyafumana client efuna apron so ndiyazi ngokubana women in aMahlubi banxiba this kind of apron. I'm not sure ngamadoda aMahlubi kodwa ndiyazi ngabosisi. So usisi ke uyaba happy ngomsebenzi wandithumelela ne-pictures ezibonisa ubana uhappy and she was looking good at the event. So okay guys, ndicela into yobana xa nijonge ezi video zam ni-subscribe and press subscribe button and like button so that ezi videos njena zingafika zifikelele to so many people abathanda ama-beads or abafuna ukufunda apha njena ndisabonisa umsebenzi wam. And also sendikwazi ngoku no-uploada i-tutorial videos. Ndiyazama. I had my second tutorial video 3 days if I'm not mistaken. But please guys, subscribe and thank you so much for coming back to this channel to watch new videos that I upload. Ndicela ni subscribe ke bethunana. Nizambona ke usisi naye ukhona apha, nijonge pictures zakhe indlela le amhle ngayo. Niyambona kwezi pictures abendithumelele zona kula event yabo yamaHlubi. Enkosi kakhulu guys. Sizanibona again. Bye bye.